Alright, let's break down conductometric titration, the chemistry hack you never knew you needed. Imagine you're titrating an acid with a base, but instead of waiting for a color change, you're tracking electrical conductivity. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually super simple. Here's the scoop. In a conductometric titration, I measure how well the solution conducts electricity as I add titrant. I use electrodes and a conductivity meter, no indicators needed. Why? Because as ions in the solution change, so does the conductivity. Let's say I'm titrating hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. At first, there's a ton of H+ and Cl ions zooming around, making the solution superconductive. As I add NaOH, those H+ ions react with OH ions to make water, which barely conducts electricity. So, conductivity drops. When I hit the equivalence point, bam! Most of the strong H+ ions are gone. After that, adding more NaOH means more Na plus an O floating around, so the conductivity starts to climb again. Plot those values on a graph, and you get a V-shaped curve. The lowest point? That's your equivalence point. No guessing, just data. Conductometric titration is a lifesaver when solutions are colored, cloudy, or when indicators just won't cut it. Plus, it's quick and precise. What's not to love? So next time you're stuck with a tricky titration, ditch the color and follow the current. You'll look like a pro, and your results will speak for themselves.